Introducing modern kitchen island lamps. A perfect fusion of functionality and style that transforms the heart of your home. The kitchen island has become a central gathering place for families and friends, making the right lighting essential for creating the ideal atmosphere. Modern kitchen island lamps not only illuminate the workspace but also serve as striking design elements that enhance the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Imagine sleek pendant lights hanging gracefully above the island, casting a warm and inviting glow that highlights the beauty of the countertop. These lamps come in a variety of styles, from minimalist designs to bold statement pieces, allowing you to choose the perfect match for your decor. Their unique shapes and finishes can add character, whether you prefer the elegance of metallic accents or the warmth of wooden features. In addition to their visual appeal, modern kitchen island lamps provide essential task lighting, making meal prep and cooking easier and more enjoyable. Adjustable lighting options help set the mood, whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet breakfast with loved ones. Moreover, kitchen island lamps can also reflect your personality and design preferences. With options like multi-tiered designs or fixtures that incorporate technology, they offer versatility for any kitchen layout. In conclusion, modern kitchen island lamps are more than just lighting. They are fixtures that embody style, efficiency, and individuality. Elevate your kitchen with these stunning lamps and create a space where both functionality and design come together beautifully.